Hi, my name's Kyle. I've never made stuffed shells before, and this is my journey. Alright, now, my mom and her fiance John got me this gorgeous bag of stuffed shells. Imported from, let's switch. Oh, you can't switch when it's live. That's nice. Okay. We're gonna. Right from Italy, mi amore. First, we're gonna boil these, and then we're gonna figure it out from there. We got a nice 1.1 pound of these. What accent is that? Alright, we got nice salted water roaring. I open these like a bear opens a picnic basket. We're gonna stand back because of the splash. Ho, 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 hey, oh, oh. Alright, we got 2 eggs. One of the yolks already broke, but that's okay because we're gonna beat these like a red-headed stepchild. And just do this, and the chefs make this look way cooler, and it doesn't really happen that way. Yeah, we're just gonna start tapping these bad boys down. Just really get them nice and involved in the process. Okay, so the eggs are done. How weird and red my hand is. Kids are always asking me, why is your skin red? I don't know, right? And then now we add the ricotta the old-fashioned way. God damn it, smart one-handed. The magic of Italy. 14 minutes. Like the bags say, ignore my mess of my other creations over here. Don't worry, that was only 2 weeks ago. We take the ricotta, we give it a little haircut. Got some Rogaine on there. We do a nice, fresh little mozzarella. We got even more hair, and we got even more hair with the chia pet and the parsley. Sorry, that's Parmesan. Parsley comes next. There's the parsley I was talking about. So we mix that together, and then I got the shells. Alright, so these are them stuffed. I ended up adding 1 or 2 of the broken ones in there just because get them all trying to stay upright. What a pain in the ass. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. Look at this. A couple fistfuls of spinach. I'm gonna cook this down a little bit in oil, let it wilt. And it's starting to get to where we want it to be, so now we're gonna want to go ahead and grab some fanny. Add our mozzarella, some more Parmesan. So now we have something like this. I ended up adding another giant fistful of spinach leaves just to give it a little more green. And now we're going to take this, we're going to pour it over our stuffed shells. Alright, so now we're just going to throw this mess in the oven at 350 for about 45-60 minutes. That recipe had 4 steps, and I'm exhausted. It's terrible. I feel like Frodo after he do it. It's all over. It's all done now. I just get to enjoy my stout, wait for the goddamn oven to go off, and hopefully all that shit I did tastes good. What's nice about the leftover broken pasta shells is they make a great handout on Halloween. Trick or treat, kiddies. It's late at night. It's almost late at night. 7 p.m. This isn't half bad. I've been referring to these as stuffed shells. They're just shells until you actually stuff them, but... Oh yeah. Italiano, eh? So I ended up taking this out right at the 45 minute mark, and it looks pretty good. And the shells they got like a little crisp, starting to crisp on the side. So I think we're good to go here. Holy shit, these are heavy. Whew. All right. Bon appetit.